Hello my friends, Kalispera, good afternoon. Watching the sunset above the ex-hotel Palini beach, which is soon going to become a 7-star resort owned by an American fund. Listening to Cuban music, which is, I believe, quite suitable for this ambient. Location somewhere between the village of Kalitea and another village of Kriopigi on the Kassandra Peninsula, Halkidiki, Greece, Aegean Sea. Over there is the village of Kalitea. Kalitea meaning, oh, let me see what is happening with my engine. Something is happening, which is not quite decent. The sun has gone down just now. Probably I'm low. Yeah, I left out the fuel. So let me switch to another fuel tank, and we'll catch up with you in a second. I mean, minute, let's say. Let's be honest. Bye bye for now.